What's up everybody? Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I typically do. We did a video about a month ago where I showed you the Bradford area and what they were doing construction wise. There was a lot of empty space, not a lot of houses have been built. I'd say about half. Well, today I was going to do a video of the southern portion of the villages south of the Turnpike, on the Fenney side of the Turnpike. But I just happened to be driving by the Bradford area and I could not believe what I saw. I mean, I had just been out here 1 month ago and already the development is crazy. So what you're gonna see is you're gonna see all the new development, and they are building on the opposite side of Morse from Bradford, which is pretty interesting. They have several houses starting to go up over there. I don't know how many houses they've built in this area, but you can see them all in this drone video here. The construction is amazing, and this happened only in 1 month. I don't know about you, but when I had my house built, it took 8 months for them to complete it, and a lot of pressure for me. That's just the builder focusing on a handful of houses rather than a whole development full of houses. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So as you can see, building in this northern area of Bradford has been crazy. We're gonna turn around and show you the southern area. Please give the channel a like and a subscribe. It means the world to us and really helps out the channel, helps me go get more of these videos and do more in-depth stuff for you. And I really appreciate it more than you know. So we're gonna cross over Morse. I didn't take the drone too far just because it was raining. But what you can see in the distance, and we'll zoom in a little bit, is the housing development that's starting to build on the south side. I guess it would be the southwest side of Morse and toward the Turnpike. If they keep building at this pace, I'm gonna assume they'll be done by the end of the year. The Villages does not pay me. I'm not sponsored by the Villages. I have nothing to do with the Villages. Don't take that as word of, whoever. I'm just telling you from my point of view, at the rate they're moving, I would assume they'll be done by the end of the year. I know the Chitty Chatty Bridge is probably going to be done within the next couple months. I think the target date for that was September. The Chitty Chatty Bridge is supposed to be the one that connects over 44, and that's supposed to be the first one that's done. So we'll see how that goes over the next few months.